Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal to buy V-Bucks. First, you'll need to link your PayPal account to your Epic Games account. Simply log in to your Epic Games account, head over to the account settings, and find the Payment Methods section. From there, choose PayPal and follow the prompts to securely connect your accounts. Make sure your PayPal has enough funds or a linked bank account ready for your purchase. Once your PayPal is linked, buying V-Bucks is straightforward. Open Fortnite on your computer or gaming console. Navigate to the V-Bucks tab, usually found in the main menu. Browse the available V-Bucks packs, perhaps a bundle of 1,000 V-Bucks for $8 or a larger pack of 5,000 V-Bucks for $32. Select the pack you want, then choose PayPal as your payment option to finalize the purchase. If you prefer to buy V-Bucks outside of the game, you can do so through the Epic Games website or their mobile app. Just log into your Epic Games account, find the V-Bucks purchase area, and select the amount you wish to buy. For instance, you might choose a 2,800 V-Bucks pack for $20. When prompted for payment, simply select PayPal to complete your secure transaction, and the V-Bucks will be added to your account. After your purchase, always confirm your V-Bucks balance within Fortnite to ensure they've been added correctly. You should also see a transaction record in your PayPal activity. If your V-Bucks don't appear instantly, give it a few minutes and try restarting the game. In rare cases, if the V-Bucks are still missing after about 15 minutes, gather your PayPal transaction ID and contact Epic Games player support for assistance. They can help resolve any discrepancies quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.